Tire manufacturers are constantly trying to find ways to upgrade older versions of their tires to fit updated consumer preferences and vehicle types. Take the all-season tire segment, for example. This segment is proof of how manufacturers adapt to meet customer needs by innovating their all-season offerings. Find out how consumer preferences, technology advancements, and vehicle type provide new opportunities for manufacturers in the all-season segment. The popularity of all-season tires has made the segment saturated with a variety of products offering performance attributes designed to meet the wide-ranging needs of consumers. In response, manufacturers are developing tires with consumer safety in mind, focusing on a performance level that will help consumers even in the most rare emergency situations. One of, if not the biggest impacts of all-season tire saturation is the rise of SUVs and CUVs. These vehicles continue to grow and dominate new vehicle sales, so tire manufacturers have had to identify the specific needs of these vehicle types. Manufacturers are aiming to attract both consumers and dealers by offering enhanced tire performance for vehicles with higher centers of gravity. These improvements focus on key areas like stability, handling, ride quality, and wear life under increased loads. Going forward, it'll be important for manufacturers to offer a variety of EV tire options for all consumers, which is no different than tire offerings for ICE vehicles. Offering lower rolling resistance may be a good overall benefit for lots of reasons, but it might not be the key attribute to satisfy EV owners. It could force compromises in other performance attributes, which could outweigh the benefits gained in range. The all-season tire segment's popularity is at an all-time high, so tire dealers need to know how to educate customers on their all-season tire purchases. As all-season tire technology continues to evolve, there's an increasing need for consumers to understand the capabilities and limitations of these tires thanks to dealer education. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.